go to the OBS.
It's
Recording? No, start recording.
1, 2, 3.
Hi.
Hello. Put your phone on silent, you fucks.
It's your phone.
Guys, this is Rolly's phone. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to STK Reacts, episode 2, I guess. Yes, we're all in the same clothes. We had nothing to do today, so
Yeah.
we're recording multiple episodes. Rolly came up with this video. I haven't seen it. I don't think Idris has
Yeah.
either. But Rolly knows of this trend. It's the before and after, like a makeup transformation, something.
You
So
all know it too.
This is
just-
makeup transformation.
We'll just get into it and interesting things to talk about. Roll
Ready?
it.
Ready?
Yeah.
भाई यहाँ तो कोई hope नहीं है.
Did you see already what
Instantly.
happened? What just happened?
Instantly, I think she made herself look ugly
these,
before.
so these are this is her natural look.
No.
These are fast forwarded makeup
Yeah,
looks
this
that
is
they
natural.
This is her
So
natural
look at
thing.
her eyebrows. I think she
No,
did
no,
it on purpose
no,
to
no,
make her
Baba.
look uglier.
That's her eyebrow.
That's how
That's her eyebrow. That's how she looks.
Looks pretty.
See how fast it moves? She's already drawn a little bit of her eyebrows on.
Grudge.
Oh my
She
god.
just stapled them on. I swear this is talent.
I think she's a limp-eye, dude.
No. Okay. They're super impressive.
What movie was that? Where like,
Did you see that?
yeah.
She used tape.
To get rid of the double chin, yes.
Oh god.
But do you think it'll be visible when she makes it?
I don't think so. She'll probably put foundation on top of that. मेरे को सब पता है.
She just put white on herself.
Is that spray paint?
Yeah, guys, because I know when you're trying to match foundation, right? Match your forearm to your neck. I know this
Yeah.
because a lot of people,
Oh yeah, because this color is more closer to your skin
because a
color.
lot of people match their face to
Your face
something
is lighter.
else, and
Your
the
neck.
neck is different color.
Your
Then.
neck
Yeah.
is your body color, so match it with
So
your
match your neck to
with
your
this part, not this part. This
So
is also
match
lighter.
this with my
No,
face,
no, this with your neck.
and my face with,
No,
Whatever
with this,
colors here
this
should be on your neck
and what should be
and
my
on your face.
Oh,
on
okay.
your face.
Before a lot
Then
of
your
people,
entire body's in the same color.
yeah,
Mhm.
because a lot of people would do the only face, then the neck is done.
Yeah, because then the face looks too white.
As
I understand nothing.
come to me.
Okay, watch.
Don't go there.
She put white on her hands.
She put foundation on her hands. Wait, no.
Wait, did she have hair before this? Oh yeah, she did. No, she.
Extensions.
No, she had the thing that
Yeah,
was
she had
your
the
hair.
headband.
That
Okay.
cylinder.
She had the headband.
The curler.
Okay.
No,
It's a
it's not a
curler.
curler.
It's a
not
curler.
curler.
It's a
Curlier.
curler.
Curlier.
It's a,
No.
we are moving on. It's a curler.
Look, dude, she had a fake tooth there.
No, Baba,
She
it's
had
still
it.
It's the
there.
same. No,
It's the
look.
same
I'll show you.
thing.
I'll show you.
Her
Look.
tooth was coming out. Look at that.
Yeah. Wait. Look at this. You see this?
Mhm.
This gap. This is still there.
Yeah. Her lip is over it now, that's it.
So she purposely was making herself look ugly, right?
She was showing that
She was
this is what
showing that my
are like.
teeth are like this.
So yeah, you could say she wasn't making herself looking
Amplifying,
ugly.
yeah.
She was just showing like, yeah, my teeth are like, and look, the gap is still there. That's her teeth.
Yeah, but she's just not showing them anymore. Oh. I don't understand what they drink.
She drank something.
None of the others have drank anything. So
I've seen in a lot of videos, I don't understand what they drink.
And if you see these videos, then what happened?
They're not teaching their tricks, no? That's why.
wait, what did they drink?
Also, what
Well,
happened to be
we'll
confident
do
in
a
how you
react
look?
on teaching video so that she learns.
But what happened to be confident how I look?
She was, not you.
Wait, what did they drink? I want to know what they drink.
I don't know. It's really weird.
That's it.
You can slow it down.
This is not a face massager.
It is. Shut up.
Oh,
See?
telephone hai.
What was that? She drank two things.
She drank something with some kind of powder in her
I
mouth.
think she's drinking Scissor. See, that is her tooth.
Yeah, look, it's right there.
Yeah, okay. Okay, guys.
It did blow my mind though.
She's really pretty eyes actually.
Lenses.
Lens.
I didn't see the lens thing. I
You
don't.
idiot!
It's
We've
like
been
a-
seeing her eyes till now. Look at the. Wait, look
No,
at
I don't-
this.
I swear I had no idea.
I feel sorry for you, Xavier.
I noticed when someone important to me.
Aww, sure.
Whoa, she looks so different.
Already, right?
Yeah.
And she's not even done.
Out of nowhere, there's a jawline now.
Yeah.
She put the
Oh
tape
my
thingy.
God.
She did the tape thingy.
A lot of guys are like, after they watch these kind of videos, they're like, dude, makeup is a scam. Like, what is this shit?
Yeah, it is.
And then women say it's the same as having a beard. Thoughts?
How is it the same as having a beard? Because I have a shitty beard. I'm growing it because I want to, but I have a shitty beard. I still have it. But makeup, if I want to have, I can't have a shitty makeup, right? Because I'm gonna make it better to make myself look good.
Also,
No,
isn't
but-
beard like having hair?
Yeah, it's mine.
Women's thoughts.
But it's.
Is it recording, guys?
The press
The-
button.
the-
It's
Yeah,
that's the
it's
pause
on.
button, you idiot.
Oh, okay.
Sorry for the weird cut. We're gonna get back into it. So, my question that I had
Beard
asked
and
Idris,
makeup.
yeah.
Yes.
Why didn't you start after I sat down? Because now they saw how I sit.
Okay, okay.
Great.
Okay.
Your boy
So-
bringing you the scoop. Okay, a woman's perspective.
Huh.
I don't know
Can
exactly.
we call a woman? A lady.
Oh, I love you,
Sir.
man. Thanks.
He literally just said to what I said. Can we call a lady?
No, you got me a lady. Guys.
Self-care.
mind.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So, I don't know exactly the logic behind it. Because I have no opinion on either. But, anyways. What I understand is that with beard, you guys also have a different look. So, for example, if you were to go clean shave,
Yeah.
you look completely different.
True.
You choose to have this long beard and then you go to the barber to get it cut in a certain way and like make it look nice.
But if you were to go,
Let her complete,
No,
let her
no,
okay,
no,
complete.
no, no.
okay, okay.
That's the thing, right? Like, not the hair, but I'm talking about your face.
Okay.
You're covering your face with beard. Why? Because you feel like the beard gives you a nice shape and your face looks better that way.
Hmm.
Right? Similarly, we're using makeup to cover our face to make it look nicer. Because
Okay,
we feel
let
like
me-
we're more confident
One
with
second.
it.
I'm the moderator, guys. I'm the
One
moderator.
second.
Hey, you have 20 seconds.
Stop
Please do
giving-
not interrupt.
Stop giving yourself so
Now,
much support.
first of all, in the beginning he said, my beard is my beard. It's a part of my body. Just the
You
way.
can choose it.
1 second. Just the way you go to the salon to get your hair cut and make it look in a certain way to make yourself look better, we do it with our beard and our hair because it's ours. I'll tell you one thing, some guys have fake beards, like they color it, right? I don't condone that at all.
Okay, wait. Let me throw a disclaimer in there. For me, at least, I have no issues with anyone using makeup. Do what you like. It's dope.
I don't care.
We're just talking about the.
I'm glad you guys use makeup.
Yeah, like, do what makes you happy. If you like doing it, do it. If you don't like doing it, don't do it. But this conversation is about beard. Like having beards is the same as doing makeup.
Okay, but you used to have a clean shave too, right?
I never had a clean shave.
But you didn't have a beard like this.
He
You
just
started
Because I was
growing-
young.
He couldn't
No,
grow a
but-
beard.
I was just young.
No, but the fact that you control the beard to be on or not, like you can go clean shave or have a beard.
Right.
And the beard length and where it's cut and where it's going up till, everything you decide, right?
Correct.
Similarly, we're using external makeup to use it. But
External.
yeah, but again, it's about what you feel more confident on your face to make it look
No,
nicer.
now you're going into that argument, which we already said we don't have a problem with what makes you feel.
Yeah, but I feel like you.
Like I wear a certain type of clothes to make myself look confident. I'm not against
The issue
this.
with the
The
external
topic
part
was
is,
never that, oh, should women wear makeup because it makes them feel confident? Is it faking things? It was never that.
No.
It was the
comparison.
beard
yeah.
and makeup.
And the issue with the external thing is, suppose I was born with a really shitty patchy beard. That's it. Like that's what I have a shitty patchy beard now.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
I can
you-
go to a barber. I
but
can
you
trim
use-
it also.
Yeah, so you're using a trimmer to take it off, right?
It's patchy.
No, but it's
Imagine
also
that-
externally. You are also artificially keeping your beard to look nice.
How
right?
artificially?
by using a trimmer or a razor or something, you're not just letting the hair grow on your face.
So that
You're controlling how it grows on your face.
that's so even a haircut is artificial by that sense.
Yeah, so we're talking about beard is to make up, right? Not like hair in general.
Listen, grooming a beard to make myself look good and putting makeup to make myself look good are two different things. Because grooming, I am making things that are of mine to make myself
So
look better.
it's my face and I'm making it look better.
Yeah, you can do it, but the comparison is the point.
But
here.
that's the
One
whole
very
thing.
very simple logical
Also, listen,
explanation.
listen,
I
I'll
have
have
this
one.
beard. Look, I have this beard. This is like a size I would say 12 on a trimmer. I'm limited to let's say 20 or 15 options that I can make with this because it's this size, or let's say 16 options because I can grow it too, right? And like I can trim it, I can make a mustache and all. That doesn't exist in makeup.
Why? We're also limited to what colors we can use, right?
No.
I mean, there are.
The lady had no jawline. Jawline. What?
You don't have a
I
jawline,
don't have a
but
jawline.
But with the beard, it looks like you do.
Not at all. Look at me, guys. I've lost 40 kilos in the last year. I still don't have a jawline.
How do you know that?
No.
I just looked at it.
It's so annoying. That's why I went to the barber.
I have a better jawline in the last
How
6
do I-
months.
Moving on. I've seen this video on Instagram. Again,
No, that wasn't drinking.
she drank it.
No.
She just was like, oh, I'm also drinking this. It was just a fake.
It was a fake thing because
Yeah.
that was cream. She wasn't drinking it.
Oh, it's a
It
joke.
was, just,
Yeah,
it was a
okay.
joke.
But the other lady did drink some.
Yeah.
I think it was a juice, dude.
What?
Yeah, you
Put
saw.
lenses.
So, if you noticed a recurring theme in especially Asian transformations, is the lens that accentuates the size of the eye.
Because your eye.
Every single one of them have had lenses that make their eye appear bigger than it is. Like,
Yeah.
look at the difference here.
So they do know they have small eyes.
Yeah.
It's we who think it's racist to say that.
No, they to the point where it's kind of like they fetishize large eyes. It's
Ah.
fetishized. Like I
Grass is
remember,
greener
how
on
we
the
want
other
fair
side.
skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Indians want fair
Yeah.
skin. Right.
like look at this.
That's what I.
There.
Yeah.
No, she's gonna put something now.
Oh, they're
See,
huge.
they make her eyes look more poppy.
Oh my god.
She doesn't look good, honestly.
Here's my issue with these videos, yeah. Like that transformation was like let's say 50 seconds. So much has changed. I've forgotten what the starting point was. I feel like at the end they should have a before and after, like right next
Some
to each
of
other.
the videos have that.
Like I do not remember what she looked like.
Dude, I feel like about the question you asked, right?
How long has it been?
50.
Let's
Yeah, let's end.
wrap up. Okay, yeah. So here's my question. That was kind of insane, right? We've seen a lot of videos, and what I want to know is, what are your thoughts on these transformations?
See, first of all, I do appreciate the talent that they have.
Big time.
That is something.
I can't draw stick figures, and
Yeah.
they're doing this.
Yeah, that is like wow. Like
Yeah.
the girl
Nothing
who had the
on.
burnt face, you couldn't tell she has a burnt face, but
Is it a
also some
burnt
videos
face?
I don't know. Yeah,
I don't know
whatever.
what it
I
is.
think it was a grafted skin there. It's not
Ah.
grafted, right?
I'm a doctor, not a mind reader. Like, how would I know?
No,
what
it
it
looked
is?
like it, like jhang se nikal ke वहाँ चिपका दे, चिपका दे.
Okay.
They do that. So yeah, but see, I don't think these videos are like for you to be like, oh, then you can be beautiful and go out with these techniques. I don't think no sane woman wants to put tape on her face and go out of the house.
That wasn't my question. Let me
I
be
feel
more
like
clear.
women do that.
Women do that, rather. Let me be more
to
clear.
this extent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How
My
many?
question is,
I just want to be like, how many?
A lot of
Really?
let's
Dude, the
talk.
amount of people who feel like, so I know I have a few friends who even if they want to go to the grocery, want to put makeup.
Which is the same as like if my brother even wants to go to the grocery, he wears jeans and
He's
shoes. and
young.
stuff. It's
Like,
the same, but I
it's a
think
bit
it's the same.
different for him.
Yeah, but no, that was never my question. What I wanted to know is let's talk only from a physical attraction perspective. Like first attraction is only physical, and then you think about mental and stuff, right? And I think that's a very big part. Like that, if the physical attraction isn't there, it doesn't
I
really
would say,
matter.
yeah.
You don't move on to the next step.
A lot of people don't. Some people do.
Yeah, I'm vain, like I don't. But
I
also, who messed up? So did I.
I just
He
got
got
it.
it.
That was
Good
good.
respect. Huh. But what I want to know is, do you think it's kind of like misleading the shareholders?
Obviously.
Are you okay with it?
I'll tell you one thing. So I wanted to say, a little bit of makeup, right? Which a little bit of makeup today is more than what it used to be maybe 5 years ago.
Dude,
You know what I mean?
I didn't know. Rolly told me
Like-
that when women say no makeup, that's a look.
Yeah.
I didn't know. I thought no makeup means no makeup.
No, it's not.
That's a look.
Never-
This
it's
is
never
no makeup.
Full lies.
You can throw what?
You can see the mirror there.
What?
This is after half an hour. Now you imagine. No, but I'm kidding. Yeah, so what I was saying is that a little bit of makeup is fine. That's okay. But like to an extent where you look like a different person.
So are you
Where
saying?
your side by side picture, I would probably assume that these are two different people.
So you're saying
That's-
accentuating is okay, but altering your.
Yeah, altering.
What
I
do you
think is not
think?
fair.
I think it's none of your business. The
It
reason
is.
that
One second. No. I have to. No.
He has to say
because
something.
I know you're gonna move on.
I
to
know
this
what's
topic.
going to happen. Yeah.
If you're gonna say it's none of my business, right? We have already assumed that we know that makeup is put on to make yourself look more confident,
Yeah.
to make yourself feel more confident. Why do you feel more confident after putting makeup? Because you know you look good, right?
Okay.
Validated by other people.
Right? If
No, self-validation.
you want to look good,
Also, that was my question was from my perspective, right?
But
can
see,
I complete mine?
Yeah,
One
go on.
second. You want to look good because of self-validation. I agree, but it's not only that. It's also to make other people think that you look good.
Okay.
Correct? Okay. If let's say I was a guy in a club or some shit, which I'm never in, but let's say I am, and okay.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god.
So if I'm a guy in a club, right, and you're giving me the eyes or whatever, that doesn't happen. But let's say I am doing it. I am doing it because you look good, right? Now when I take you home, you're ugly behind the makeup. It's my business now.
Not in general ugly.
Very specifically.
According to person.
Yeah, obviously, and very specifically, I said in a club. Why? Because it's a one-night stand kind of thing.
Yeah.
Then I agree that if the person's not good looking enough, I'm not gonna go back home with that person.
Because it's only physical
But-
attraction.
But
it's
if it's a
supposed to be that.
But if it's a one-night stand, you're not actually seeing the real face.
No.
She's not
One
a
second.
makeup
One second. I want to I will see a bit
No,
of it.
but that's the
I will
thing,
see
right?
tape
I
and
mean,
will
when you
fall
make-
out.
when you're-
Hello.
Tape is
She'll ask me in the middle of the video, tape and moving out.